Proper maintenance on your truck is one of the most important things you can do to keep it on the road for a lot of miles, like changing the oil, the air filter, spark plugs, or wires. But one thing that is most often overlooked is greasing your suspension and steering components. So today I'll show you some basic steps for how to do that, and I'll show you some new tools to make the job easier. First, you need to make sure you have the right tools to do the job, like this grease gun from Lock-N-Lube. Now, when doing a job like under our F-250, I like to use a gun that has a long, flexible hose. This will help you to get into those hard-to-reach places. But what's really cool about this gun is the locking coupler it has on the end. I'll tell you more about that in a little bit. I like to take a little brake cleaner and wipe down the fittings. This will prevent any dirt from passing through and either stopping up the fittings or ruining the parts you're working on. This is a standard grease coupler. It snaps over the Zerk fitting. If you don't have it positioned just right over the fitting, the gun makes an improper seal, and the next thing you know, you have grease everywhere. Lock-N-Lube offers a solution with their hands-free grease coupler. It has a unique sliding sleeve that is activated by a thumb lever. The spring steel jaws grab onto the Zerk, locking it in place, providing a leak-proof seal. So there's no need to align it or use two hands. The great thing about Lock-N-Lube is that their couplers will adapt to any grease gun. And once you see grease come out of your part, that's when you know you're done. Because the Lock-N-Lube coupler is a bit longer than a standard coupler, it may not reach some of those confined fittings. This 90-degree push-on grease adapter locks onto the Lock-N-Lube coupler. It has a much smaller profile and it will slide onto any fitting, providing the same leak-free seal. All right, with our old F-250 we're working on, we really don't have any confined areas that we can't get to. All of the fittings are pretty much right in front of us, but you can see how this 90-degree fitting works. It just slides right over the top of the Zerk fitting. This just goes to show how easy it would be to get to those tight spots. In the event your Lock-N-Lube coupler starts to leak, it comes with replacement seal and jaws, making it fully rebuildable and good as new. Remember, lubrication of metal parts on your truck is very important to extend its life. So to find out more about Lock-N-Lube or their accessories, visit locknlube.com.